Hello guys, are you iPad Mini 2 user? If you are iPad Mini 2 user, I know you face this same problem. You cannot download any application or apps in this iPad because the iOS of this iPad is only 12.5.7, and then the application or the apps need a higher iOS, so which is we cannot meet up their criteria. So we have to find another way to download the applications or apps like this iPad. There is already a YouTube, Messengers, and Facebook. Find another phone, iPhone or same iPad, and then use same Apple ID, and then it connected together. So I download the application or the apps that I want to download to the iPad from this iPhone, and then that's it. So just do it guys. Use another phone to download. Just use same Apple ID.